Good morning, everybody, and happy Mother's Day tomorrow to all my moms out there. And I hope you're having an amazing day. That includes moms to animals, too. We're moms to many things, even our children's friends, a lot of times. Well, today we're going to talk about letting go and trusting. Just let go of the outcome. Let it go in the universe, your manifestations. Set your intents to manifest all the good that you can or whatever your goals are, and just trust that the universe, God, has your back and it will unfold in divine timing. A lot of us try to force our manifestations, and that doesn't work. That is resistance. We have to let go of resistance and just trust that the universe knows what it's doing. Of course, it keeps us on a little bitty ball in the middle of nowhere in the universe, and none of us that I know of have fallen off yet. So, the laws of the universe are absolute, just like gravity. You don't see pigs and cows fly normally unless there's a tornado or something, but gravity holds us in our spots, and we use that every day. We need to trust that God and the universe has our dreams and visions, and we need to stop going back and forth in our minds and our mindsets with this will never work, this will work, this will never work, because it hasn't shown up in 5 minutes. Divine timing is definitely different than our timing. Most of us want our manifestations straight away, and some people do actually get it. I manifested yesterday. I just was speaking to God, to universe, that I set my intent to have a fun day and somebody was going to take me out. Well, I didn't think too much more about it during the day, and here comes somebody and loads me up in their truck, and we go out and we had a great time, and everything was bought and paid for. I didn't spend a dime. Those little synchronicities that come into our lives, we are to be grateful for. They're like shown to us that our manifestations are coming to pass. And we just need to relax. You're never going to get it done. You're always going to be manifesting something until the day we pass on. And just enjoy the process, enjoy the journey. Bless the things that you want. You want that car? You want a Lexus? Okay, let's bless that Lexus and be happy for the person who's driving a Lexus right now, and set our intention that someday we're going to drive that Lexus, that I'm going to get a Lexus someday, or whatever car or truck that you want. Same with homes and other things in our lives. But just set your intentions, talk to the universe, talk to God, and just be grateful for where you're at right now on the way to where you're going. Two of the people that I closely follow and everything had some bad starts with their speaking and doing things that they were trying to set up a business and coaching and all that. Well, in the last 2 weeks, they became millionaires. It just goes to show that you don't give up during bad times. You don't get into that mindset that nothing's working out. Keep going, keep strong, do what you have to do to keep strong. Plant the seeds now, even if you don't see anything growing yet. Plant the seeds now and keep watering them. Do something every day towards your goals. And remember, gratitude is a miracle worker. Be grateful for where you are right now on the way to where you're going. And eventually you will get to where you want to be. But with that, I encourage you to not give up. Don't ever give up. And just work with yourself. Be gentle on yourself. Give yourself pep talks. Stay as happy as possible. Watch a funny movie. Do something that makes you happy individually. Whether you're a man or a woman, depending on what you like to do. It doesn't matter how young you are. It doesn't matter how old you are. And I just want to encourage you in this, and I hope you're having an amazing weekend. And again, happy Mother's Day to all my mothers out there. God bless you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.